Hi, my name is Eric Nickell with Catalysis Additive Tooling. Next to me, we have a 1-up 3D printed water jet trim tool. What makes our tooling unique is that we don't use any kind of post-process CNCing on the actual tool cavity. This allows us to create vacuum holes in the surface, vacuum channels here to create the seal, drainage here with different slopes to prevent the water from seeping onto the part that goes along this face. And then steel plates, stainless steel plates along the trim line to prevent any kind of extra erosion. Our 3D printing technology lends itself really well to water jet trimming, where typically the other options are a composite or an aluminum tool. If you have any questions or are interested, feel free to reach out to Catalysis Additive Tooling.